So the three grants that we offer today to support projects to advance electric transportation in underserved communities and support Oregon's goal to reduce the transportation sector's carbon intensity are the Electric Mobility Grant, the Matching Grant, and the Grant Writing Support programs. Collectively, $5 million in grants has been awarded to date. And we want to highlight the evolution of our electric mobility, our e-mobility grant program, which first launched as a charging infrastructure pilot in 2018. The pilot continued in 2019, and then with more stakeholder feedback and EV technology hitting the market, it became the broader, flexible e-mobility grant program, which we will focus on in the next few slides. The e-mobility grant program has gone through 3 iterations, started in 2020 and continues to grow its funding pool, project types, and participants. You can see the types of projects in EV technology, and the community served has greatly expanded since 2018.
I want to keep zooming in on this electric mobility grant program offered by Pacific Power. So as Barrett mentioned, it evolved starting in 2018 as a pilot and then became the full-blown e-mobility grant program in 2020 and has funded a variety of projects across the state of Oregon. Just a little bit about how it works. Applicants must be non-residential customers. There's a preference given to community-focused organizations, especially those supporting underserved customers. Applicants can submit a range of project types that ultimately support Pacific Power's residential customers with transportation electrification. So it's not just passenger EVs, it's not just charging infrastructure. Projects are then evaluated based off of a scoring rubric, and the projects have a 18-month deployment timeline. From May through August, applications can be submitted to Pacific Power through their online portal or by emailing us the documentation directly. And on this map here, as you can see, it's a very broad grant that has enabled a variety of community-focused EV projects, such as EV education campaigns, EV workforce development projects, community EV rideshare projects in both rural and urban communities, and even an electric tractor farm share program in Eastern Oregon.
So as you can see, these flexible EV grant programs, such as the e-mobility grant, have had significant impacts on underserved utility customer groups in both rural and urban areas. The grants are independent from ratepayer support, and they provide funding to a variety of project types that are tailored to what applicant communities need rather than being prescriptive. They meet customers where they are at with the EV transition. Customers can pilot and explore with minimal risk and utility support before scaling and fully investing. Administering the EV grant programs, such as the e-mobility program, also provide significant benefits to the utility. They're an important stakeholder feedback tool that allows the utility to build trust and work as a community partner. They're also a test bed to help inform future program needs and technology trends, like the Corvallis e-bike project, and they're highly visible projects that can inspire EV transitions in other communities and utilization of other utility programs.